Hey everybody, I'm David at Gulf Coast Golf Carts, here to show off our brand A2Z with our diamond stitch seat covers. Dealers, this is for you. I've been doing the business since 2006. We've been doing our seat covers and perfecting them since 2018. We have many colors and varieties. They're in stock, they're ready to go. You get a fleet of golf carts with split corners, cigarette burns, bad seats, no problem. We have an easy solution I'm going to demonstrate to you that any of your workers can do. Here we're going to demonstrate on a club card precedent. We also have them to fit Icon, Advanced EV, and EasyGo models. So here we go. We're going to take our seat. We're going to take our Easy On cover. You'll notice where your hinges are will be the top. You'll match it up with your hinge places on the Easy On covers. And you just stretch it on. The biggest thing that we want to tell you is it's just like putting on a sock. That's all. You just put on a sock nice and snug on your feet. This is how this works to make it so easy on you. You do the one corner. We do try to make it a nice snug fit, so then you're going to do the other corner. Make sure also when you're doing it that you are pulling your straps out, that they don't get tucked inside. Some of the questions we have, you do leave the old vinyl on of your seats. It helps kind of keep it all compact and tacked and together. Take your straps, pull them out like so. You can do any adjustments. You want to make sure that you're level between the front and the back. So you want to have about an even amount. So I need to just adjust this one, as you can tell here. So I'm simply going to take it, bring it down a little bit. Take the slack, get on this side, and you can already see how good and tight it fits. And I haven't even put on the straps yet to even make it tighter. So now we're going to the straps. I like starting on the middle. You just put it through the buckle. Hold this part right here to give you a little bit of a tension, and then feed it through. And just a nice little tug. You don't have to do anything crazy, just a nice little tug. Same thing, pull this down for some tension. Right there. Nice little tug. And for the last one. Nice little tug. From there, you simply install your arms and hardware, and you're good to go. But as you can see here, it fits on just like a sock. You'd almost think that you had it reupholstered by somebody, and you know what? You just did it yourself. Thank you. Hey everybody, time for step 2. Right here, we're going to use a club card precedent front back. So basically, we're just going to take it right here. You'll notice the top will be where your buckles are. Just like step 1, you're going to treat it like a sock on your foot. Just go right here, slide it on, come around. Same thing, good little stretch. We want a nice tight fit. That way it spreads everything out. Now when you do it, you do want to make sure you're even and kind of line yourself up from how much space here and here. So you may have to do just a couple little adjustments. So like on this situation, I'm going to just pull a little bit more down here to make it a little tighter. Remember, the top is where your buckles are. You pull down with a little bit of a tension. Bring it down. Hold it in place with your finger. Simple little tug on that side. Same thing on the other. Little tension. Stretch. Then you want to check it. Make sure you're good. If you had any kind of bubble or wrinkle here, you just need to kind of adjust it out. But there you go. Smooth, custom fit. Just like putting on a sock.